start of day 13. It's about 7:15. I've been on the road for just about 5 minutes or so. Tuesday, March 7th. Yeah, I think the weather's about in the 40s or so. I don't know. It's a little chilly this morning, but it feels good. I think it's going to be another pretty day out. Yesterday was rough. Yesterday was a hard day. Didn't get started on trail till about 8:30 and did about 16.8, maybe 16.3. I don't know, something like that, but it was a lot of elevation gain. Coming up out of the NOC, it was pretty much 6 miles straight uphill. Some of the times I was just like using my trekking poles to propel myself forward. It was so steep, but anyway, it was challenging, but it was fun. Didn't get into the shelter till after 6 o'clock. The sun was dipping down. Luckily there was one more space left in the shelter, and I grabbed it, made some dinner, and went to sleep. So it was definitely a long day yesterday, but today I am headed down to Fontana and gonna do a little resupply at the marina there, and then I'm gonna stay at what they call the Fontana Hilton. It's the shelter there in Fontana. It's supposed to be the nicest shelter on the AT. I think it has like a real bathroom and a charging station for your electronics and stuff. So anyway, that's where I'm headed today. Not as big of a day. Gonna be a lot of downhill, and I think it's only about 12.7 to that shelter. So anyway, that's where the trail goes, and that's where I'm headed. So the other day I was talking about taking a Blue Blaze trail up to that, I think it was like Rocky Bald. Anyway, I know a lot of you probably know what a Blue Blaze trail is, but some of you that are just following me may not necessarily know. So behind me you see that there's a Blue Blaze on that tree. That's actually leading down to a water source. It's down the ways a little bit. But so Blue Blaze trails are off of the AT. They generally lead to either water source or a camping spot, a shelter, or kind of like a scenic view. So anyway, just wanted to let you know what the deal was with that. Obviously the AT is marked with white blazes. So there's one up there. Let's go. Came down here, crossing over this road right here. Not exactly sure what road this is. The trail is right over here. Pretty. All right. Trail goes that way. Let's go. This is Cable Gap Shelter, and you can see the privy in the background there. Looks like the privy has a nice little view. Just a small little shelter. This one just houses 6, I believe. So not very big, log cabin style, but nice little location. Did my laundry in the sink, got my clothes drying out here on the balcony, and this is my view off the balcony. Pretty nice little view. I'll show you the inside of my room. Got my food laid out, trying to figure out what I need to do for resupply. Nice little setup here. Definitely relaxing and much needed break. So I hiked the 11 miles in this morning to Fontana Dam, and my plan was I was going to stay at the shelter there at the Fontana Dam. They call it the Fontana Hilton. It's kind of a joke, but it's the nicest shelter on the AT. It actually has actual bathrooms. I think it's got a shower, and it's got like charging station for your electronics as well. So my plan was hike in the 11 miles, get some food, resupply, and then stay at that shelter, and then hike out in the morning and take on the Smokies. But coming down that 11 miles today, it was the first time my body was like, man, you need a break. So came on in to the inn here and got a room, got some food, did my laundry, and I've just been relaxing. So the plan is definitely, stay here tonight, resupply in the morning, take my time, check out, hit their continental breakfast and take advantage of that. And then I'm gonna hike out to the shelter, or actually catch a ride and hike the, 1 mile or 2 miles out to that shelter, the Fontana Dam shelter. It's actually got a view of the dam as well. And I'm gonna spend the rest of the day there and just kind of chill, get caught up on stuff that I'm way behind on, videos for one, and spend the night there and then take on the Smokies from there. So give me a chance to just kind of get my legs back under me a little bit and get feeling fresh for that stretch through the Smokies. So anyway, that's the plan, and I'll take you along with me as I go. Thanks.